Hi everyone, I'm Jayden. Today we're going to make 3 different types of fake blood patterns: passive, transferred, and projected. Now let's get ready. First, we need to have 50 milliliters of water, so right there. Then add some cornstarch in the water, which we conveniently have here. Then we pour some beetroot into the water we just made. Give it a swirl.